5 years from now, you'll either say, I can't believe how much I changed, or I can't believe I'm still stuck here. And the difference between those two versions of you? One decision. Not motivation, not a vision board. Just one stupidly simple choice that changes everything. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Every morning, you wake up with a window. The first 90 minutes after you open your eyes, your brain is running at peak capacity. Studies show you're up to 40% more focused during this time than any other part of your day. It's like having a secret superpower, except most people waste it scrolling through their ex's vacation photos or arguing with strangers on the internet. The people you admire, the ones who seem to have it all figured out, they're not special. They're not superhuman. They just understood something you're about to learn. That first hour isn't just morning. It's leverage. Pure, untouched, mental real estate. No distractions. No emergencies. No toddlers asking why the sky is blue. Just you and your clearest thinking of the entire day. And if you claim that hour, you don't just win the morning. You win the year. You win the decade. You win the entire game. But most people hit snooze. They trade that golden hour for 9 more minutes of half sleep. And those 9 minutes? They're not free. You're paying for them with your future. So here's the choice that determines everything. Do you protect your morning or do you give it away? Because here's what happens when you protect it. Your brain wakes up flooded with dopamine and cortisol, the exact chemical combination designed to turn you from a zombie into a focused machine. Scientists call this state flow-prone neuroplasticity. In normal terms, your brain is wet cement. Whatever you pour into it now, it sets. Scroll Instagram, you're cementing distraction. Plan your day, move your body, or learn something real. You're cementing growth, the kind that compounds into everything you've ever wanted. One focused hour every day equals 365 hours a year. That's 15 full days of uninterrupted progress. Multiply that across 5 years, and you've basically earned a master's degree in becoming the person you said you'd be, while everyone else is still trying to remember where they put their left shoe. So what do you actually do with this hour? It's simpler than you think. First, hydrate. Your brain just spent 8 hours offline. Water wakes it up faster than anything else. Chug it like your dreams depend on it, because they do. Second, move, stretch, walk. Do 10 push-ups while questioning every life decision that brought you here. Movement floods your system with energy and clarity. You don't need a gym, you just need to get your blood flowing. Third, write one goal, not 40, not a manifesto. One clear target for the day. Laser focus. When you know exactly what you're building toward, distractions lose their power. Fourth, learn. 5 pages of a book, a deep video, a podcast that teaches you something real. Feed your brain before the world starts demanding pieces of it. And fifth, protect this hour like it's sacred. No phone, no emails, no scrolling. You're the bodyguard and your focus is what you're protecting. Nothing gets through until you're done. Why does this work? Because you're not just changing your mornings, you're changing your identity. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you're casting a vote, not with words, with action. You're voting for the version of you that's focused, reliable, and respected by the one person who matters most, yourself. You won't feel it tomorrow. You won't even feel it next week. But give it 90 days, 90 mornings of showing up when no one's watching. And one day, you'll look in the mirror and see someone different. Someone who stopped waiting for life to happen. Someone who took control of their time and built the future they kept talking about. But here's the hard truth. The next 5 years are coming whether you're ready or not. The only question is, will you be the one building your future? Or will you be the one watching someone else live the life you wish you had? Small hinges swing big doors. And this hinge, the one that unlocks everything you say you want, it's not a course. It's not a hack. It's your alarm clock. So here's the choice. Protect your morning. Or give it away. 5 years from now, which version of you do you want to meet? If you're ready to take control of your future, subscribe to Psych Decoded, because we don't sell motivation. We decode the psychology that actually changes lives.